Hi
guys! We're going to Laguna! So ito ang unang team building ng Westside.
Tama! At andito ang masasarap.
At ang aabangan namin ay kung sino ang magkakalat tonight.
I think this one.
Yes.
Right here.
Ay nakatulog! Alam mo yun? Ay nakatulog! Ay, di niya alam yun. Di ba alam yun, no? Ay, nakatulog.
Nakatulog?
Nakatulog.
Nakatulog? Yung ganun?
Ay, hindi niya alam yung meme. Anyway, so it's going to be a long day, guys.
True.
Long 2 days because tonight, ang plan namin is to go to Pansol. Mag-check-in kami sa isang Airbnb. Tapos, tomorrow, if the weather is good, we will go to
I don't know.
Hidden Valley
Hidden
Resort,
Valley.
Camilin. But we will check tonight or tomorrow morning kasi if the weather isn't really okay, we will postpone. And
Yeah. We'll
we had a
stay.
good run. We will postpone and we had a good run.
Yeah. Bye.
Bye guys. See you later. Taray! Hi, Dilin! Eto, sino to? Ano yan? Sino
Baby
ka?
doll.
Sigulapa.
Dante Gulapa.
Oo.
God.
Paano?
Paano?
Yung...
So guys, here's our room.
Yes, mag-room
Room
na
tour.
tayo.
Okay.
So, kung nakikita nyo guys, meron kaming 1, 2, 3, 4.
True.
Ano ba to? Double beds.
Yes.
Meron kaming 4 na double beds. At sino ang nandito lang?
You? Me?
And
This
Dante.
game.
And
Uy,
Dante.
game.
And Xiaolong Bao.
Yes. And guys, the place is so nice.
Yeah. This is the mirror. It's so
Very much
nice.
Ba't ka nag-English?
And
Para social.
yan.
Ayan. So,
So
nagbibisita
nice.
kami ngayon.
Si Baklo, nagkakaya kanina. Tara na, let's...
Let's.
Wala kang sumunod. Hello, Team Raisa. Andito tayo ngayon sa Kasama Resort, Los Baños.
Kasama?
Ano ba sa?
Kasama. Kasama.
Kasama.
Oo, kasi 2 words.
Kasama. Yun yung sabi ko eh,
Kasama ang sabi mo. Kasama and kasama.
Tama.
Oh.
Kasi kasama.
Yes, casa is house.
House.
True. For the
House
porque
ma.
contigo yo. Yes,
Do you want
good.
4K? 4K contigo yo, yes, kuhi.
Taray. Oh. Bongga ni Itzo, Efren Bata. Oh, ito ang inaabangan ko tonight. No? Ano kayang amat nito tonight? Diba? Oo, feeling ko rin. Hi guys. Maya, ikaw, anong outfit mo tonight?
Matutulog.
Tutulog? Ito kaya? Anong outfit mo tonight, Pao?
Maghanap na matutulugan.
Oh my God! Parang ang dami dyan sa kabila.
Ay, ang ganda ko dyan.
Ganda dyan, fresh.
Ako din, strawberry margarita.
Dalawa.
Thank you.
Ito po yan? Strawberry margarita.
Go!
Thank you. Cheers.
Cheers.
Bakit walang ganyan?
It's the apple.
Sarap.
Together?
Let's go! Oh my god.
But I prepped it like with a normal shot, like you know when you have a shot, you know, like,
He was really good at
Cheers!
cheers, ready? Huh? Oh, off menu. Woo! Fancy. Cheers, cheers, cheers.
Cheers.
Oh, that was nice. Yeah,
Finish that one.
yeah, because I.
Was there alcohol in it?
Ang mga songers! Hi!
Thank you everyone for joining us this weekend. It's really exciting that we get to do this together. This is the first time we've done this. I hope you all enjoy it. Thanks for that, cheers. Enjoy it, have a great time, look after each other, need anything, you let me know. The pool is warm, karaoke is loud, the pool table, everyone could do a bit with a bit of practice. So have a great time. Dinner tonight is buffet, so plates and everything is behind us. And drinks are outside. Please keep seeing the guys in the bar. We've got drinks that are alcoholic and non-alcoholic. There's soft drinks and stuff as well. Just let me know if you need. Otherwise, they've got the fruit shakes. Luke, did you want to say a few words? You've come a long way, so you might as well.
Yeah, so Lara was saying this is the first time we've done this, and we're so excited that almost everybody could come, which was good. But I've seen some amazing photos. We need more people on the runway out here. If you've noticed, people strutting it out here in front of the pool. But yeah, have a really good time. But as Lara said, make sure we look after everybody tonight as well. Okay, but have a really good time. Tomorrow, it looks like we've got an amazing time down in Hidden Valley. The weather looks really good, I think. Positive. It's going to go unbelievably well. And if not, it's going to be super lovely in the rain, in Hidden Valley, in the rainforest. It'll be extra misty for it, so it should be really good. But everybody enjoy yourselves. We're here, I'm here the whole week, so I can't wait to spend the whole week with everybody. So be great, enjoy yourselves. We hope we've got trivia later.
Yes,
Well, team
so
trivia.
we'll have dinner. We'll do a team quiz. We'll do teams of 4 for that. And then once we've done, back on the camera. Look, that's not going to go for forever, but we'll do that one. And then after that, we've got free time for the rest of the night. Tomorrow, we'll have breakfast at about 9:30. Planning to get out of here at about 10:30. So if everyone needs to keep that in mind.
And what time's breakfast down here?
9:30. 9 to 9:30.
Yes.
9. We'll say 9:30.
9.
Based on,
Yeah.
based on how tonight's gone. So yeah, everyone enjoy. If you need anything, please do let me know though, okay?
And we've got a couple of extra things still to give away.
Yes, we do. Yeah. So we've got a little bit going on tonight, but most of all, just want you to have a really good time, enjoy yourself. I hope that you get to do everything and just have a relaxing, enjoyable weekend.
Yes.
Yeah. Everyone deserves it.
Let's do it.
Thanks everyone.
Let's go. Blackberry snack. Wine. No, it's wine.
Taray naman ni Madam. Oh.
Si Madam maputla na.
Ayan, nanonood ng sila yun.
Ang galing eh.
Ang
oh.
nanonood ng sila yon.
Welcome to the Ocean Park of Laguna.
Pagka ganun pa lang, ako. Ayan na. Go, go, go. Fuck! Go, go. Wait lang, ito na ba? Magdasal muna tayo.
Let's go, let's go.
Pwede na, kuya.
Anytime po, pwede na po.
Go, go, go.
Huwag lang buhawakan.
Eh, paano yung straw? Igagano ka lang.
Mabilis lang. Padulo.
Kung paano ka nag-EMS? Uminom ka lang.
Medyo po, medyo lang. Kung paano ka?
Kaya yan.
Ako pinapatagal niyo siya, lalo po siya umiinom.
Oo nga.
O hindi.
Gawin niyo na.
Blow job yan.
How was it?
Bakla, ubusin mo.
Kaya nga.
Lasang gasol.
Eh yan ang hanap ko kanina, di ba?
Ganun pala yun.
Isa pa, kuya. Oo eh. Hindi ba, kuya? Parang galatin ako. Ako na maghuhugas ng mga ano. Parang gusto ko ma-experience magagano na.
Ay, ate. Naging vortex.
Sige nga, mamaya tayo.
Thank you, kuya. Salamat. Dahil dyan, pahingin mang-visit.
Kuya, saan mo ba nilagay? Ay, ano na?
Ganun pala. Ay, lasang ano pala.
Ano lasa?
Nasaan gasol ba? Nasaan gasol ba?
Ano lasa for you?
Sanay kasi sa shembot.
Kaya nga. Sanay kasi yan sa inaapo yan.
Lasang din, wala.
Wala. Sige, pag ikaw nagsasasayo ko na naman mamaya.
Leave me breathless. Maghuhubad na lang ako, ma'am.
Ayaw mo?
Ayaw ko. Hindi ako inom.
Oo, kanina ka po may inom.
Okay na. Say hi, guys! Mali pa lyrics.
Hey guys, what's up? I'm here with Eds. Hello.
Ang naman ang allergy ko. Alam mo kung man nakakalungkot. Number 2.
Hi guys, I'm here with my bro.
Hey, guys!
Si Kippy Nut. Si Kippy Nut.
Kipi eh.
Si Kippy Nut.
Kipi eh. Yan, pa-video kayo para...
And we're drinking
She's allergic even to beer. Right?
If it was someone else, I would be questioning.
If I'm like that, I'll be questioning my parents. Or like the other generations before me.
Na-try mo na uminom. What happened?
I'm a
Dahil konti lang.
So guys, 9:56 time check. And
Fresh.
nawawala na si Nono.
Tama. Ang amats niya ay mag-billiards.
Para ba siyang Efren bata? Ang dami nangyari tonight. Kumanta ako, sumayaw, nag-Britney, everything. But look at me.